It's a big news from Delhi as the judicial proceeding regarding the bail plea of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal unfolds. In this video, we're going to talk about what exactly happened in the court. So the Supreme Court said if Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal gets temporary release in the money laundering case related to the excise policy, they don't want him to carry out his official duties. And on the other hand, the ED said that people were starting to believe that Kejriwal didn't do anything wrong and was arrested just before the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Then again, in response, the top court asked the ED why there was a delay in its investigation and requested the agency to show the case files before arresting Arvind Kejriwal. Moreover, the Supreme Court told ED that it would listen to the reasons why Arvind Kejriwal might get the temporary bail. They said he is currently the Chief Minister of Delhi and needs to campaign for Lok Sabha elections. The court further said that this situation is unusual and that Kejriwal isn't someone who regularly breaks the law. The two-judge bench comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta made these remarks while hearing Kejriwal's petition challenging his March 21st arrest by the ED in connection with the Delhi excise policy case. They further stated that this is an extraordinary statement and he is not a habitual offender. Elections occur once every 5 years. It's not like harvesting a crop that happens every 4 to 6 months. We need to prioritize whether he should be released in the interim. Well, the panel hearing the arguments on Kejriwal's plea challenges the arrest by the ED in this case. These arguments may be triggered ED as they oppose the court, and they suggested that it would set a wrong precedent. A politician has no special right compared to the ordinary citizen. Shall all MPs and MLAs facing prosecution be released on the bail? Meanwhile, Kejriwal tells the Supreme Court that he will not deal with any excise scam related file if he is granted interim bail. The ED further mentioned that it would demonstrate that Kejriwal asked for 100 crores. Initially, Kejriwal wasn't the main focus and the investigation agency wasn't looking into his role. It only became more apparent as the investigation continued. The ED also claimed that once the witness said that he met Kejriwal for a land deal, then he came to know that it was all bogus and it was for 100 crores. However, the apex court did not pronounce any order on the interim bail on Tuesday. The matter is likely to be taken up next week for the hearing. Meanwhile, the Delhi court extended the judicial custody of Kejriwal till May 20. For more such videos, do follow India.com.